How can AI help you build an incredible product page? All the details about how to use Chat GPT for Amazon in this video. Let's get started. I'm sure you've heard a lot about AI, Chat GPT, but how does this technology apply to you if you are an Amazon seller? And how can you benefit from AI to create an incredible Amazon product page that reaches the hearts of your target audience? Hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society, an Amazon certified service provider. 3 ways that you can work with the Amazon Sellers Society. Number 1, check out our free training in the description box of this video. Number 2, enroll in the Amazon Sellers Society Academy if you want to learn exactly how to get started selling on Amazon in the Middle East. And number 3, reach out to our team if you want us to manage all of your Amazon needs, services, anything that you require. You'll find all of the information in the description box of this video, or you can just simply go to our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. So you finally decided on a product to sell on Amazon. You've decided to sell this stainless steel water bottle. Now, how do you create an incredible listing that targets your ideal customer? Number 1, start with researching who is your ideal customer. Who is your potential customer that is interested in buying a stainless steel water bottle? I started by providing ChatGPT with the correct prompt. Who would be the ideal target audience that would be interested to buy a stainless steel water bottle in the UAE? And then ChatGPT gave me up to 7 different target audiences. Some of them are somewhat similar, but some of them are completely different. As an example, let's look at them. Students, tourists and travelers, parents and families, professionals and office workers. So depending on the design of your product and what you think works best, you can choose to let ChatGPT create the full listing for you based on this target audience. But this is very interesting in case you weren't really aware who would be interested to purchase the product. Now that we know who is our potential ideal customer, who might be interested in purchasing this stainless steel water bottle, now it's about figuring out the keywords that they use in order to search for this product on Amazon. They might be using these keywords on Amazon, or they might be just using these search terms in general, but ChatGPT can help us identify some key words that can work inside of your Amazon product page. Now, I requested from ChatGPT that based on my target audience, which I selected are target audience 1 and 3, what would be the search terms that they would use, the keywords that they would use to find these products on Amazon? And here we go. We got a list of potential keywords. Now, of course, these keywords, ChatGPT doesn't know what the search volume for these keywords are on Amazon, but they are interesting keywords for me to check out on Amazon and potentially maybe run them through Helium 10 to see if they have good search volume, or I could just simply use them to create a really nice listing, which we're going to be creating next. You know, creating an Amazon product page not only requires you to have a great graphic designer, great images, but also you need to have really unique content because you want to try to stand out where there's so many different sellers on the website, and you want to try to target your ideal customer because somebody who's in their 20s might have a completely different lifestyle than somebody who is in their 60s. A female might have a different lifestyle than a male. So it's important to try to figure out who is your ideal customer so that you can create this really cool product page just that talks to their needs and their requirements. Remember, it's always important to try to sell with emotions rather than just with facts. Now, with that being said, we move on to the most important part of the actual listing. It's creating a keyword-rich title. Now that we know the keywords, we're going to tell ChatGPT to create the ideal title. Time to create a title. So what I told ChatGPT for the prompt is based on target audience 1 and 3, create a 200 character title, because your title on Amazon should not exceed 200 characters for an Amazon product, and use these keywords. So I focused on 3 keywords. So I gave some idea as to what the title needs to look like. And there you go. We got a really, really good title. Now, Chat GPT decided that my brand name was Hydrofit. Obviously, I didn't give it a brand name. Of course, these are things that you need to fix a little bit, maybe add the color if you have a certain color for your stainless steel water bottle or anything like that. But I really, really like it. Now, if you don't like the title, if you think it's just not usable, you can just regenerate response and it's just going to give you another title. Done with the title, let's move on to creating bullet points, 5 bullet points to be exact. And what are those bullet points are going to be? Obviously, they have to be matching with the target audience, the style that you want the whole listing to be, the way that the copywriting needs to be created. You also need to give ChatGPT a prompt of how long or short you want the bullet points to be. Let me show you. And you guessed it, it's now time to create bullet points. So what I've told ChatGPT is as well, based on target audience 1 and 3, to create 5 bullet points. Each bullet point should be between 15 to maximum 500 characters. However, I've requested 250 characters, and I said include all of the keywords, or basically it understood that include the keywords above and the title that I requested. But here are the bullet points. Actually, they're quite good. Now, what you could do is if you want the way of how the text is written to be, for example, focused on males and not females, maybe focused on a younger generation or something like that, you can ask ChatGPT to just change the style of how these bullet points are created. Absolutely great. Let me know what you think. And the last thing is you need to request from ChatGPT to also create a product description, which is essentially very similar to the bullet points. However, a product description comes in a paragraph format and should be a minimum of 1,000 characters. So you can go ahead and create that prompt and create a product description that matches the whole copywriting vibe, target audience, keywords that we just created. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment in the comment section below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye!